Now we are going to solve a probability related problem. Here the problem is a book of 200 pages contains 220 misprint. Assuming that Poisson distribution is occurred and a page is randomly chosen, we have to find the probability that there is no misprint. One misprint, two or more misprint. There are 200 pages and misprint is 220. Here the lambda, the parameter of Poisson distribution or mean or variance, all are equal. Lambda, that means mean of the Poisson distribution. Average 220 by 200. Average misprint is 220 by 200. (1.1). We know that the Poisson distribution for R success, e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power R by factorial R, e to the power minus lambda. As for first case, as there is no misprint, therefore R equal to 0. No misprint is there. E to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power R by factorial R, e to the power minus 1.1 into 1 factorial 0 means 1. Finally e to the power minus 1.1. Probability of no misprint. A randomly page is chosen from the book and page has no misprint. The probability of no misprint is e to the power minus 1.1. One misprint, e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power R by factorial R, 1.1 into e to the power minus 1.1. Probability of one misprint is 1.1 into e to the power minus 1.1. Finally, for third case, probability of getting two or more misprint in a page. Probability of x greater than equal to 2. One minus probability of x less than 2. As we know that probability of a complement equals to 1 minus probability A. 1 minus probability x equals to 0 plus probability x equal to 1. 1 minus probability x equal to 0 means e to the power minus 1.1 plus probability x equal to 1 means 1.1 into e to the power minus 1.1. Taking e to the power minus 1.1 as common from this, 1 plus 1.1, 1 minus 2.1 into e to the power 1.1. Therefore, probability of 2 or more misprint is 1 minus 2.1 into e to the power minus 1.1. Here is the problem. Any doubt? Please comment me. I will clear your doubt, and thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.